ನಡೆಯುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ತೆರಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷದ 13ನೇ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು 2010. ಸೊ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ವಿಶ್ವ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಯುಷ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆದ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ celebrated around the theme Ayurveda innovations for the global health. On this occasion, the Ministry of Ayush has organized a grand event at AIIMS, New Delhi. So the Ayush Union Minister of State Ayush Sri Pratap Rao Jadhav, Ministry of Ayush, talked about the significance of Ayurveda Day and said Ayurveda Day has now become a global movement, and we are proud to learn that as many as 150 countries are expected and joined yesterday for the celebrations of Ayurveda Day 24. So, theme for this year's Ayurveda Day celebrations gives new dimensions to the contribution of Ayurveda to global health. So, not only in India, we want to spread this. So, already 26 countries have accepted Ayurvedic system of medicine and they are practicing that. So, under the All India Institute of Ayurveda has initiated a month-long program across the country. So all the institutes which comes under Ayush, Ayurveda, Unani, Yoga and Naturopathy all have continuously for 1 month they are celebrated by conducting health camps, awareness programs among the local peoples. So he also highlighted that the focus of ministry while underlining the theme of Ayurveda Day 24 and added the vision include with other systems of sciences like allopathy sciences, so that to maintain the critical conditions. So talking about this latest initiatives of the ministry, further add Ayurveda knowledge is made conveniently accessible to public through the digital platforms under the umbrella of Ayush Grid, including major initiatives such as Ayurveda scheme, Ayush research portal and Namaste portal. So currently Ayurveda is recognized in 24 countries across the globe, while Ayurveda products are exported to over 100 countries. So this year celebration witnessed significant participants from startups and industries, positioning Ayurveda at the heart of global health innovation. So leading Ayurveda experts have expressed their thoughts and hopes for this important event. So Ayush professionals are particularly enthusiastic about this year's celebration on the theme surrounding innovation in Ayurveda. So this is about the yesterday's program was nationally conducted along with 150 countries who are involved in the program of AIIMS along with Ayush Ministry. So I will share some of my clinical experiences which I am doing in Ayurveda. Only with Ayurveda I am dealing with. So I will share some of my practice experiences. Kumar sir is my senior, Akimani sir is my senior. Ayurveda. So in generally ನೀವು ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಲ್ಲ ಜಾನ ಸಂಧಿಗತವಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ನೋವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣನೂ 2 ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 types of constitutive factors for the ಜಾನ ಸಂಧಿಗತವಾದ osteoarthritis of the knee and mainly osteoarthritis occurs in major joints, shoulder and knee joints. So majorly knee joint, body weight will be carried by knee joint only. So first joint affected will be knee joint. So whenever patients comes to more than more patients will come to you, and you are practicing in rural areas, and since 15 years you are practicing. So Janu Sandhigatavata, either it may be by injury or by age related. At the age of nowadays at 40 only the degeneration will start. ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ 60 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ. So in that we are in Ayurveda we are doing sir ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇದು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಇದೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಪರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೋ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಯೋಗರಾಜಗಳು ಆಮಪಾಚನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, అలాగే ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಮಪಾಚನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 10 to 15 days ಈ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಮಹಾಯೋಗರಾಜಗಳು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಅದಾದ ಮಹಾರಾಸನಾದಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಫಸ್ಟು ಆಮಪಾಚನ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಸ್. along with some other medicines like Gufic, you heard I think Gufic Pharma. They have one Nucart OA tablets. That is Chingati supplies the main ingredient in that, which helps in building the ligament tears, along with building the bones around the joint but affected. I think the degenerative changes what have occurred in the patients of osteoarthritis of the knee. So along with that, the patient is having constipation complaints. And next cases, more cases we are getting here is pain in the neck and lumbar region. So that may be because of cervical or lumbar spondylosis. What we call in Ayurveda is Drudrasi. Again, in that two types of Drudrasi, Vataja and Vata Kapaja. Vataja means only pain is patient is main feature of that patient is only pain, severe dragging type of pain from lumbar region to up to toe, where this sciatic nerve runs till that the patient will get severe dragging type of pain. And another one, Vata Kapaja, what I said, sir. Along with pain, patient is having Kapaja lakshanas, Kapha symptoms like heaviness in the leg, numbness in the leg, loss of appetite. So whenever patient takes food, no, he will feel heaviness in the abdomen. So these are the some associated complaints along with Vata symptoms that can be diagnosed as Vata Kapaja Drudrasi. So in that treatment, same company I told you, 3 remedies, NeuroXT capsule. So NeuroXT and their another one tablets, Spina and Goofy company Shellaki XT tablet. Shellaki XT along with this pain management, it helps in reducing uric acid also. Shellaki XT tablet. So you can use these medicines in Drudrasi patients, which patients having cervical lumbar spondylosis. If protrusion is there, that can be managed with surgery or Ayurvedic Panchakarma procedures. So whenever patient comes to you, advise the medicines and refer them to Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatment, so that without surgery we can treat this disease. Successfully I have treated since 13 years I am practicing Ayurveda. Previous time working in Shivayavasara Rural Ayurveda Medical College in near Pailonga. So recently I joined XR Patil Sir Ayurveda Medical College. And we have all the setups for all these things. So you can refer, we will definitely give results in those patients. So after prescription of your medicines, you can more non-vegetarian fish is the main factor here which is causing skin disease. So along with your whatever things in general practice, sir, you are giving maybe steroids or some other drugs. Along with that, first you try with Ayurvedic medicines. If you directly use steroids, sir, that already the disease is because of loss of immunity only, which is which has caused because of immunity loss only, which the patient is having less immunity. So in those cases, again, if you prescribe this steroid drugs, so immunity of the patient will again come down. Only when they are taking medicines, it will reduce the symptoms. So within 1 or 2 days of stopping the medicines, again the complaints will reoccur. So in skin diseases, in my practice I am doing along with that Gandhaka Rasayana and followed by Mahamanjishtar, which reduces the darkness which has become because of the skin lesions all over the body. So if these medicines given after Shodhana Karma, that is Vamana or Virechana, according to the requirement of the patient, we prescribe Vamana or Virechana. So whatever the medicines we give after Shodhana Karma, that Rasayana, Vajikarana, whatever the medicines for a particular disease will affect, and that effect of medicine will be more. So the disease will come down immediately. Cases successfully I have treated in avascular necrosis of the femur head. So in that, because of loss of immunity and continuous usage of NSAIDs in these patients only. If the patient is having knee joint pain, shoulder, whatever pain, on that they are taking this modern painkillers. So that medicine leads to loss of blood supply to the femur head will completely, that bone will become like smashed. It will like crush. The patient is unable to flex or even move the hip joint. So in that, these cases also I have treated successfully with Panchakarma Chikitsa. In that, Basti is the main. In all these cases, whatever except skin disease, Basti is the main line of treatment. And along with that, Rakta Mokshana. So Rakta Mokshana helps in increasing blood supply to that area. So when you remove impure blood from that, either it may be Shiravada or Jalokavacharna. So when impure blood will come out, fresh blood will move towards that, and that helps in development of that bone again. So successfully around 10 to 12 patients are treated avascular necrosis. In modern science, they directly remove the head and implant the artificial. So without that, I have treated many cases. So same medicines can be used. So but it takes more time compared to other diseases. What I have said, this avascular necrosis takes around 15 days courses of treatment for 3 times. And by giving 15 days or 1 month gap continuously when you administer this. So that bone has completely grown. So those patients are bringing ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.